म्हापसा मिलाग्रीस सायबिणीचे फेस्त व्हडा उमेदीन मनयले। हजारांनी भाविकांनी आपली उपस्थिती लावन सायबिणीचे बेसाव घेतले। वेगवेगळ्या धर्माचे लोक सायबिणी कडेन आंगवण करतात, तिच्या मुर्तीचेर खोबरेल तेल घालतात आणि उपकाराची परतफेड म्हणून मेणाच्यो मुर्त्यो दितात।
Special day for us because we are celebrating the feast of Our Lady of Miracles. She is our mother, the mother of Jesus. Jesus gave her to us as our mother, and we go to her for all our needs, especially when we are in trouble. Today, we have come here to thank her for all that she does for us. She intercedes on our behalf with Lord Jesus and makes our life more beautiful, more easy, and helps us to overcome all troubles that we may come across in our lives. Today, I pray to Mother, to Our Lady of Miracles, to bless all the people of Goa. And I also pray to her and ask Mother Mary that there may be peace and love among people of all communities, because we are all children of God. And Mother Mary knows that.